Use 1-day time frame if you're using our Tipay system. That's one, all right? You just follow the cloud. So kung green cloud, you're looking for long opportunities. You ignore all the short signals dito sa Tipay system. So for example, nung bumaba si Ron, nung May 17, nakakita ka ng long signal. While everybody so afraid of buying, ikaw nagdi-DCA. Ikaw bumibili. Bakit? Meron kang signal Sabi sa'yo ni Tipay, buy Nandun ka pa sa support. Yan pa yung pinaka-support. Ang ganda pa niyan. Yan pa yung support area mo. Confirmation mo si Tipay. Ngayon, kung wala kang Tipay, natatakot ka ngayon dyan. Baka tagusin. Pwede bang tagusin yan? Opo, pwedeng tagusin. Kaso may long signal Nasa support may long signal, di ba? Yan yung mga perfect. Yan yung mga grade A entries. Support, tapos may long signal ka. Si Ron ngayon ay, ito, iwasan lang ni Ron to Honest assessment lang to but I could be wrong. Iwasan lang ni Ron to. This could be your neckline, be your right shoulder. Tignan natin So, ito po dapat i-break ni Ron, itong area na yan. Alright. Kailangan basagin niya to para mag-invalidate itong head and shoulders. Head and shoulders is a bearish pattern. Bearish reversal pattern. So, usually, pag nakikita mo yan sa upside, sabihin, sa tuktok, umaakyat yung price, tas nakakita ka niyan, there is a possibility na bumasag pababa kasi nga bearish reversal. And ang measured move nito, itong area na to. I don't know Again, ina-assess lang po natin Huwag magagalit yung mga meron. Hindi mga meron, mayroon. Again, yung pattern po na to, mangyayari lang kung babasagin natin yung neckline. You have to understand that this game is all about probability and not certainty. Pag binasag yung neckline, tuloy yung head and shoulders mo. Kung hindi mabasagin yung neckline at bumasag ka dun sa right shoulder, failed ito. So you have to know how to trade it well. Intindihin, plan your trade para you will not be left holding the bag o kaya nakanganga o kaya left without a bag pagka gumalaw yung price. Follow for more Tito Moves!